Start. Madam Chairperson, I stand here to support the Representation of the People Amendment Bill 1998 initiated by the Honorable Minister of Law and Justice with some reservations. As we all know, it is intended to give a new shape to replace the ordinance promulgated twice. But why had the ordinance to be promulgated? It was simply to ensure fairness in the election process. Many elections have been held since 1952 and there was no dearth of polling personnel. In a democracy, elections are a must. Elections are a part and parcel of democracy. The electorate should be satisfied with the fairness of the elections. The parties contesting elections should act in such a manner that the people can express their views freely. I am sorry that that sort of an atmosphere is almost absent. Now, money and muscle power, opportunistic groupings, caste and religious sentiments attached to political parties, and evil misuse and misinterpretation of anti defection laws vitiate the democratic spirit of the people at large. Members of legislative bodies have turned into saleable commodities. We have seen many ayarams and gayarams. This is the present position. So, to make the democracy successful, piecemeal legislation like issuing of ordinances is not enough. We support this bill, but at the same time, I would request the Honorable Minister through you that he should enlighten the House about the comprehensive electoral reforms as to whether he is going to place it before these August House or not. People who have gone to the Supreme Court have not taken it in right earnest, and due to this, they tried to avoid taking part in the election process. This sentiment should be given due consideration, and the government should come forward with proper legislative measures for presenting comprehensive electoral reforms as early as possible. Hence, I would request the Honorable Minister he should come forward with this bill in the near future. With these words, I support this bill. Sir, I what I want to say is that a committee has been constituted to draft a comprehensive bill for electoral reforms. However, I have a grouse against Sri Khurana that our party leadership has been dropped from that committee. Hence, I have purpose to make a few submissions in this regard. I want you to take them into consideration. My second point is that more and more people should be encouraged to participate in the election. stop.